Hello Internet. So we are about 2 weeks away from the 2021 Big Bend Open Road Race, and of course the car and all of our tow vehicles aren't ready yet. So today I've got some video of us trying to get all the vehicles ready to go. Alright, so today we're working on the International to get ready to leave for the race. We've got a new indicator stalk. This one didn't work, so we had no turn signals. Kind of need those, especially when I'm pulling a trailer. I got a new one here. This is $100, the cheapest I could find on old Slamazon, so that better work. Got Luna out here helping, supervising. I think we should be good to go. Change the oil, get the lights working. Should be in business. Got to rent a trailer still, and we should be good to go. We got some forensic evidence.
Nothing like the old eyeball method.
And here you can see your RTV in there.
Let's take it apart, cut it up some.
It looks okay though. The snout looks good.
It's sprung at 3, taken out from our 6.
What if you get the bolt in and then get a bolt and spacer on another hole and then you fix that?
Well, it's tight enough in there that I think I can wedge this space.
Oh, okay.
Get it all together.
I can play around too if you need to. I can go up, down, left, right a little bit.
Can you go towards me a little bit? Yeah, there we go. That's perfect.
How's it going, man?
That was not too bad.
Switch hands.
Got a bright ass light in my face and blind now.
I'm getting the radiator.
Oh, you whore. Alright,
This
there we
thing
go.
the band's back together?
There we go. We in. And the nut is almost on. Give me a fucking paper towel. So I'm about to snot all over the place. What's up, YouTube?
What are you doing?
We're downloading the previous logs for probably the 8th time. But
Logs from 2 years
just
ago.
in case, yeah.
'Cause we haven't hooked the computer up to the car in 2 years, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so far so good. It said unable to download log file, but it's still going, so.
Okay, we got oil.
Linux.
I don't think that's Linux.
We got oil?
We got oil, got water,
I'm assuming we got spark. Depends on the CPU, CPU.
PCU.
CPU.
CPU.
PCM, CPU.
PCM, CPU.
All right.
It's the one with the gas on it.
Everything's hooked
Nothing
up.
going
You're
on.
sure?
We're about to find out if we get a leak.
I don't hear anything pissing. That's got to be a good sign. Battery's
Coming up,
fucking-
42, 50, 58 PSI. We got any fuel pressure leak up there? Start cranking it over. Keep going. Yep. What is that?
The button stuck to my finger and then fell off.
It's a button stuck to your finger.
Yeah, the little rubber end here
Oh, okay.
stuck to my finger.
Which set you want?
Oh, it don't matter. Thank you.
You use that, Jeff?
Yeah, please.
Where's the third set?
Oh, here you go.
Yonder or something.
Oh, set, man.
You're in the car.
It's not gonna be that loud.
The fuck, it's not. Have you ever heard this thing?
And then with the cam and heads.
Okay, make sure if we get a fire, we got a fire
no-
extinguisher
oh,
over
it's
there.
Do
And
we
there's
have one
right
in hand?
here.
Man,
Okay.
You pop it out.
I'm gonna be trapped in here, so y'all better be ready.
Yeah.
You never know with this car.
There ain't no getting the fuck out with a laptop.
There you go. Alright, we got fire extinguisher, fuel on, and let's see what it do. Okay. Alright.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
The thing that sounded like a fucking gallon of fuel in this tube, loose?
It says what?
No.
Dude, it sounded like a fucking swimming pool was just flowing through this tube.
Yeah.
What, the fuel?
Yeah, that's the fuel.
Yeah, no, and you normally cannot hear it flowing through the hose and sounding like it's up against metal.
That's because it's
Oh man, I'm
the air
fucking.
bubble.
Jet is full of air.
Yeah, it's full of air.
Go!
Good.
Oh, let's try to let it idle down. Nothing.
6-inch pound,
Fucked off. Nothing for it.
1 gram.
Hand it to us. I'll get the lighting.
He's ready. Alright,
Hang on. You gotta get like even on it.
I didn't want to grab the splines. I was going to grab it
It is
like this and then
pretty
reposition
greasy.
it so we get it up.
Too heavy?
No.
Okay. Do I need to move this?
Nope, nope, nope. Okay, yeah, pull it back and then you set it up underneath. Here you go.
Oh,
Bring it back up here.
okay.
I gotta go back about 2 more inches.
How are you in the front?
You want to go ahead and try to stab it?
Nah, we'll just get up here and do the work. Make sure we don't unspline this bitch, Kyle. Wait, stop. Make sure we don't unspline this side of that.
Oh, yeah, I think it stops. Yeah, it's
You
pretty
think it stops or you hope it stops?
long. I think it stops.
No. All right.
It's pretty long. That's longer than that. Yeah, that should be getting.
You ready?
Yep.
1, 2.
You get the.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
He is so bonded to this truck. We're dying.
That's awesome.
I mean, think of all the good times that we've had with it.
Yeah.
Any trip across the Golden Gate. Skin off.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey man, just a little sissy burn there, no big deal.
one-piece exhaust.
What you got going on?
Ducts for the heat exchanger. Like that?
That's badass.
Yeah, thank you.
Power of air.
Next week, it's all hands on deck to finish everything up. And then hopefully the next video you see is actually us getting the van to run, loading it up with all our tools, and then driving out of town to the race. So see y'all next time.